Jen, and this is my channel, Embracing Chaos. If you're new here, welcome, and if you are a returning friend, welcome back. We're so happy to have every single one of you here today. Today, my daughter Ava and I are here for day number 2 of Vlogmas. So first of all, happy Vlogmas, everybody. That's very enthusiastic, Ava. I hope they're not intimidated. For those of you who weren't able to join us yesterday, what we're doing for Vlogmas is an advent calendar unboxing portion, and then I'm also going to be sharing my top 25 WW favorites. So I will timestamp each portion down below, so if you only want to see the WW content, you can go straight to it, or if you just want to see the advent calendar unboxings, you can just watch those as well. I would truly appreciate it if you guys would watch the entire video. However, I totally understand that we are busy and we don't all have tons of time. So that being said, let's go ahead and get started on day number 2. Ava and I do have 4 advent calendars that we're unboxing. We've got the 24 days of Keurig K-Cups we're unboxing. And then I have my glossy box advent calendar that I'm unboxing. And then Ava's going to tell you what she has.
I got a Big Lots 12 Days of Beauty.
12 Days of Beauty for Big Lots. And this is an advent calendar for younger kiddos.
And we got 12 Days of Trader Joe's Beauty.
Yep. And then we have 12 Days of Beauty from Trader Joe's. All right, Cheeky. You ready to go day number 2?
Yep.
Okay, let's see what we got.
You can open this. I can open it.
You can do it. You can do it.
I knew it. I was right.
She predicted that it was going to be nail polish. You guys can hear the dogs. I apologize. Ace is outside visiting with the neighbor dogs.
Pretty color.
What you got?
Cherry scented.
Cherry scented nail polish. Can I hold it up there close? Oh, there you go. Good job. We're going to teach her how to be a YouTuber yet, aren't we? There we go.
Like the most prettiest. It even has a llama.
Nice. Are we going to smell it? Ow. Rip my reindeer ears off. This is chaos, right, guys?
I'll show them like I last
And she wants to show you.
Nail?
Yeah. She got that gingerbread nail file yesterday. Let's smell it. It's not cherry scented. Don't tell anybody that you saw Ava and I sniffing nail polish, okay? How awkward. All right, so yesterday I got the Green Mountain Holiday Blend. Let's see what we got today. Cool, I love this one. For day number 2, guys, we've got the Donut Shop Original Flavored K-Cup. This is one of my favorites. It is a nice, dark, rich flavor. Absolute favorite. Day number 2 of Trader Joe's Beauty.
It's a big one.
Is it a big one?
This is actually number 2.
Nice. We don't like face masks on this channel, do we?
No.
Never. You want some help?
No.
You just had to be a little dramatic. You get that from your dad. All right, can you read it?
We got a charcoal face mask.
Charcoal face mask.
And this is
Can I
yours.
see?
Yeah.
So we've got a Trader Joe's peel off charcoal face mask. We love face mask on this channel. You gonna join me for next Mask Monday and wear this?
Sure.
Yes. All right, now let's get back into Glossy Box and see what we have for day number 2. This is awesome, isn't it? Oh, we have to look for it. It's not in order.
I think it's in the second one.
You think it is?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, look how big number 4 is. Are you sure I have to wait to open these? 22, 24, 19.
Guess in that
How
box.
about I don't break it? Process of elimination, huh?
Okay.
Oh my gosh, 2 is another big box. This is awesome, isn't it? All right, here's what number 2 looks like.
Ooh.
Ooh, here's the inside. You don't even have to know what it is to be excited, huh?
What is it?
I don't know. Can you hold this, please? Yeah. Okay, so Authentic Beauty Concept. Authentic Beauty in this is Stronghold Hairspray. I'm always in the market for some new hairspray. I don't think I've ever gotten hairspray in a subscription box before. You want to smell it? Tough, because I can't get it open. Got it. Ready?
I can't smell anything.
It just smells like regular hairspray. So that's it, guys. You saw it here on Embracing Chaos with Jen. How to sniff hairspray and nail polish. Winning! High five! Alright guys, now let's check out my WW favorite for day number 2. Alright guys, future Jen here, as you can tell by the fantastic change of clothes and the fact that I am sitting in my bed with my pillow behind me. Sorry. I realized that I never told you guys what this camera looks really bad. Oh well. Sorry if it does. Sorry. But I never told you what I was going to show for my WW favorite today. I've got the pictures all set up, but I didn't introduce it. I wanted to stay along the lines of protein bars because you guys know I have 2 protein bars that are my absolute all-time favorite. The first one is my Quest bar, and then my second all-time favorite protein bar are the Bear Bells from Trader Joe's. So I will link pictures and point values here for you. There you go. Thank you guys so very much for watching. I won't keep you any longer because we've got several more days of Vlogmas to share together. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please feel free to leave any questions or comments down below. I feel like we're kind of rushing through things. But that being said, real quick before we let you go, if you wouldn't mind giving us a thumbs up, we would truly appreciate it. If you're not subscribed to our channel, guys, please consider hitting that subscribe button down in the corner. We do have a 900 subscriber giveaway coming up very, very soon. Probably within the next few days because it'll be this weekend, just in case I need to ramble some more. So make sure you are subscribed because that will be a requirement to be entered in our giveaway. And until next time, happy holidays and keep smiling. Bye, guys. Could you try and smile? Maybe not.